Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a short review on the OGX Quenching Coconut Curl Shampoo, the conditioner, and then I also got the Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. So to start off, we're going to talk about the shampoo. And I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I am on the fence about the shampoo. It has some pros and it has some cons. So I don't know if this is a product that I will purchase again. The pros are that it does feel like it is nourishing and moisturizing my hair as soon as I put it into my hair. You know how sometimes you can use a shampoo and your hair feels really hard after you start to put it into your hair, and then you can't even run your fingers through it. Yeah, that doesn't happen with the shampoo. The shampoo really does feel like it's doing its job. It's moisturizing, it's cleaning your hair, and that is definitely a really big thumbs up for products, of course, for me, and I'm sure for most of everybody out there. The cons though is that I had to wash my hair. I had to put this in my hair 3 times for it to feel like it was doing that. The first time I applied it, there was no lather at all, and I was looking at the bottle. I was like, well, maybe this is a no poo shampoo, but no, that's not what this is. So when I'm looking for a shampoo, I'm looking for the lather, I'm looking for the thickness. That's what I'm thinking is cleaning my hair in my mind. I didn't get that until the 3rd wash. So there's pros and then there's cons. I don't know if I can afford to wash my hair 3 times for it to feel like it's actually doing something, even though this product is not expensive at all. I got it from Target for about $5. So is it inexpensive? Yes, kind of, because if you have to purchase it more than the usual, then is it really that inexpensive? I don't know, you know. So this is, yeah, I'm on the fence about the shampoo, definitely. Next up is the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner, and I really wish they would put detangler on the bottle as well, because for me, as soon as I apply this to my hair, it instantly detangles, and that is a huge plus for me. Another plus for me is that I don't have to use a lot of this product, unlike the shampoo. I put a little bit more than a 1/4 size, and that was able to coat my entire head. And for me, that is a product saver, and that is a money saver. So this is definitely competing with my Kinky Curly Not Today conditioner, because you don't have to use a lot, and the price is a lot cheaper than the Kinky Curly Not Today. So am I going to be buying this again? Absolutely. I love that when I keep this in for about 3 to 5 minutes and I wash it out, my hair feels nourished, it feels soft, and I feel like it has done its job. So will I be purchasing this product? Yes, absolutely. So the last product I'm going to tell you about is the Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. And I'm just going to be honest with you, when I first started using this product, I didn't like it. I felt like it was super oily, it was weighing my hair down, and it really looked like a cat was just licking my head. It didn't look good on me at all. So after 2 or 3 days, I decided that I wasn't going to use the product anymore. But then my boyfriend was like, well, you're probably applying way too much. And I'll never tell him this, but he was probably right. When I was initially applying this product, I was just spraying it directly on my head. And I realized, yeah, that was maybe too much. So I decided to spray it in my hands and then apply it to my hair, and that gave me a better control of how much of the product I was actually adding to my hair. After I did that, my hair has been looking really fabulous, actually, as you can see right now. If you look at my hair, I haven't added any other products other than the shampoo, conditioner, and this coconut oil for the last 2 weeks, and my hair looks wonderful. It really does. It doesn't look like it is dry. My curls are defined, and I'm really happy with the way that it looks. It doesn't look overly big, even though I love big hair. I feel like I don't need a whole lot of product when I'm using this Nourishing Coconut Oil to style my hair, and that's actually really different for me, because normally I need a whole lot of creams to control the volume. So would I recommend this product? Absolutely. Do I think that the shampoo could be a little bit better? Yes. Do I expect to buy this again? I'm still on the fence. I really love the conditioner though, and I'm absolutely in love with the Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. This is not a sponsor video at all. I'm just telling you how I feel. I really like the conditioner and the oil. Do I know about the shampoo? Like I said, I'm still on the fence. So let me know how you feel about the products. Comment below, subscribe. I hope you like this short video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.